Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable vertical app scroll on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, to get the vertical app scroll feature, you need to update your Samsung Galaxy phone, so you will get the Android 15 with One UI 7. You can go to your setting and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to update your phone. Go to software update. Okay, and if the update is available, it will appear right here, and then you can click on download and install. Okay, and here I have updated my Samsung Galaxy phone. Wait guys, I'm going to show you my phone. Okay, and here I'm going to show you my software information. I have already gotten the Android 15 and One UI 7. Okay, and now it's time to enable the vertical app scroll on our app screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I'm going to go to the app screen, and here as you can see, now my current app scroll is horizontal and I'm going to change it to vertical. Okay, we can click on the three dots, and after that we can click on the sort, and we're going to select the alphabetical order. Okay, after you select the alphabetical order, the app scroll will be enabled. Okay, the vertical app scroll will be applied, as you can see, like this guys. And if you want to get back the horizontal app scroll on your app screen, you can select the three dots and select sort, and then you're going to choose custom order. Okay, the custom order will give us the horizontal app screen. Okay, and for your information, this feature is only available for Android 15 with One UI 7. So you need to get the Android 15 and One UI 7 to get this feature on your Samsung. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable the vertical app scroll on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys. Bye.